Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make this split pea soup, which is packed with lots of veggies. So for this soup, I used leek, carrots, celery root, water, pepper, salt, bay leaves, and split peas. Start with cutting the veggies. Now that all the veggies are cut, put the split peas in a pot and add water and bay leaves. Cover the pot with its lid and allow the peas to cook for about 15 minutes over medium fire. Then check on the peas and add some more water. Add salt and pepper. And cook it for an additional 15 minutes. So the peas have been cooking for a while. I am going to add some more water. You can add the water at once, but my pot isn't that big, so I'm adding the water gradually to prevent it from spilling over. Add the veggies that we cut earlier on. Mix it and add salt and pepper to taste. Now cook it over medium to low fire until you have a thick soup. If you don't like your soup to be as thick as mine was, you can add some more water, and there you have your soup. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.